Hey guys, today we are going to learn about Termux. This is my first video and it is the introduction to Termux. So please like and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for the future updates. Now let us start. We must start from the installation of Termux. Firstly, we should open Play Store from our Android phone. In Play Store, search for Termux. Open Termux. I have already installed it. You might install it. Once the Termux is installed, you should open it. Now let us get some brief introduction about Termux. What is Termux? Termux is an Android terminal emulator and Linux environment app that works directly with no routing or setup required. Termux can be used to learn languages like Python, C++, Java, and process commands like terminal. We shall be also learning about different tricks and tools in Termux. Now we have installed Termux. Let us learn about the interface of Termux. Firstly, we can adjust the size of the text in Termux by zooming in and zooming out. See how you can say it. Now we are provided with a special type of keyboard from a Termux which provides us escape, control, and alt button, and also the keys to move up and down, up and down, up and down. We can also do the multitasking with Termux. For example, we can swipe left and we can create new session for multitasking with Termux. We can also give the names to this session by clicking on it. Session name first. I think it would be clear to you. Now we will meet in next video and talk about more about Termux, and I will later on teach you about the tools of the Termux. So please keep get updated. Thanks.